Hey everyone, we're going to talk about AdSense Terms of Service mistakes to avoid in today's article. Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. Even minor infractions of the AdSense Terms of Service can result in account suspension or termination. You won't be able to get your account back once it's been disabled. So, what's the best way to stay out of trouble? The following are some of the most typical blunders to avoid. Number 1. Keep a close eye on your dynamic content. If you are utilizing an automatic content scraper or scraping content from RSS feeds, you will want to double check the content before it goes live with ads. Even if your site has nothing to do with non-TOS material, you are still responsible for everything that appears on it via dynamic content. Ensure that your website does not contain any gambling, pornographic, or file-sharing content. Number 2. Multiple accounts are created. One account is all you need. Google wants you to have only one account, even if you run 20 separate websites in various domains. You can simply track and separate information from all of your different sites by using URL channels and custom channels. Number 3. Ads on non-content pages should be removed. Any pages that are not content pages should have their advertising removed. Opt-in pages, pop-ups, pounders, hover over pages, category pages, tag pages, and other similar pages fall under this category. Ads should not be displayed on any page that is not a content page. If you are using WordPress, this also applies to the widget and navigation areas. Number 4. Assuming an image-ad relationship. Placing AdSense advertisements alongside photos has long been a proven way to increase CTR. This is a hazy situation. Yes, putting AdSense alongside your picture advertisements is acceptable, and it will improve CTR. It is crucial, however, that you are far enough apart that a relationship isn't implied. You cannot, for example, put an image of a bird cage up and then have an ad that displays birdcage adverts right underneath it. Place advertising alongside photographs, but separate them with a line of text or enough space so they look to be unrelated. CPM, CTR, impressions, and clicks are all disclosed. Google deems this data to be competitive and does not want it to be more public. Simply leave those spaces blank if you want to publish earnings screenshots elsewhere. You can still share screenshots of your URL channels as well as their revenues, but you cannot share any data that Google considers competitive. Number 5. It's important to keep in mind the fundamentals. And finally, no matter how long you have been doing AdSense, always remember the fundamentals. Do not change the ad code in any way. Never use a plugin that generates or edits code for you automatically. On any given page, never have more than 3 ad units and 1 navigation bar. Never put anything above an ad box besides sponsored links or advertisements. Never, 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 ever, 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 ever. These are some of the most typical webmaster blunders that result in account suspension. Thank you for listening, folks. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center. Subscribe to our channel, My Learning Center on YouTube, and visit our website for quality ebooks, audio courses, HD video courses, and many more.